Watches are more than just accessories. They combine technology, precision, and centuries of craftsmanship. But how exactly are they made? Today, we're taking you behind the scenes to uncover the full watchmaking process, from concept to final assembly. It all starts with design. Watchmakers imagine the shape of the case, the style of the dial, the type of movement, and the materials to be used. Every detail matters when creating a timepiece that's both beautiful and functional. Mechanical watches can contain over 300 parts, all made with extreme precision. Gears, springs, balance wheels. Each component is machined, polished, and tested to ensure perfect performance and long-term durability. The movement is the heart of the watch. It can be mechanical, powered by a wound spring, or quartz, powered by a battery. Assembling the movement is a meticulous process, often done by hand or with high-precision robots. The case protects the internal mechanism. It's made of stainless steel, titanium, ceramic, or even gold. The crystal, often sapphire, is cut and polished to offer maximum scratch resistance and clarity. Now comes the final assembly. The movement is carefully placed inside the case. The dial is aligned and the hands are mounted with extreme precision. It's a delicate step that determines the accuracy and reliability of the watch. Before being sold, each watch goes through a series of strict tests: accuracy, water resistance, shock absorption, and temperature resistance. Only watches that pass every test make it to the next stage. Once approved, the watches are cleaned, polished, and placed in elegant boxes, ready to be shipped to boutiques or customers around the world. From the workshop to your wrist, each watch has its own story. Behind every timepiece is a mix of innovation, tradition, and passion. Whether you wear a mechanical watch, a quartz one, or a smartwatch, each second ticking on your wrist reflects the work of hundreds of experts. If you enjoyed this journey into watchmaking, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos.